Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from Google Sheets to KeyCRM. This is necessary to automatically transfer new rows from Google Sheets to other systems. For example, through KeyCRM you can create new orders and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Google Sheets. Now select the action, Get Rows, New. At this stage you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Google account. Required, check all the access boxes. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select the file and sheet from which new rows will be downloaded. In the Start Data Loading with Row Number field, you must specify the row number from which to start uploading. For example, if your data begins with row 2, then you need to indicate the number 2 in the field. If you have a lot of data in your table and you do not want to transfer it, then you need to indicate the row number on which this data ends. For example, if you have 1000 rows, then in this field you must specify the number 1000 in order to start uploading from the last row. Now you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so just click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that is in the specified row. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. At this point, setting up the Google Sheets data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Select the system, KeyCRM. Then select the action, Create Order. At this stage you need to connect your KeyCRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your KeyCRM personal account. Then go to Settings, General. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage you see KeyCRM fields for creating new orders. You can assign variables from Google Sheets to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also enter values manually. To go to the next line, press Enter. When all the required fields are assigned, click Continue. At this point you see an example of the data that will be sent to KeyCRM in the form of new orders with each new row from Google Sheets. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to KeyCRM. After successful submission, go to KeyCRM and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. At this point, setting up KeyCRM as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.